You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. City names or names of places from the Bible. If you want to learn how to pronounce more biblical names correctly, more pronunciations from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's break them down. All of them, they look a little bit similar, they sound a little bit similar but quite different. Let's break them down. The top one here is Gergesenes. Gergesenes. Gergesenes, sens at the end, a Z sound. Stress on the first syllable. Gergesenes. You got it? Alright, let's move on. Gerasenes. 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 The bottom one is pronounced as Gadarenes. 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 So you can find you can hear similarities here that you can remember. Stress on the first syllable always, and the sins sound at the end, or reens for the last one. Alright, so let's summarize and listen to them again carefully so you can remember. Gergesenes. Gergesenes. Gerasenes. Gerasenes. Gadarenes. Gergesenes. Gerasenes. Gadarenes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.